Hello and welcome back to the Workbench. This is where we discuss ceiling fan history, trivia, and technical information. Today we're going to talk about Wilcorp, and this was a topic that was requested. I've mentioned them before because they might have been the first importer of ceiling fans into Canada, and they were one of the first importers to bring SMC ceiling fans into North America overall. And I mentioned that a few times, and somebody said, "Well, what else is there to know about them? That aren't they worthy of Workbench video if they were one of the first, importers, et cetera, et cetera?" And I said, "Surely they are. Let's research them. So let's see what we can learn about Wilcorp." I will also add that I might have said in the past that they were the first to import SMC ceiling fans. That's not the case. Someone, I don't know who, imported a few containers of SMC industrial ceiling fans in the 50s for Granger. So they were before Wilcorp. Wilcorp Manufacturing was founded in 1965 by Dennis Wild. It was a division of Willow Manufacturing, which was a machining company that machined parts. That was in Canada. They were importing SMC industrial ceiling fans, which at the time, of course, were all cast. It's 1965. In 1971, the first Wilcorp fan ads turn up in Canada. In 1976, more ads turn up. They are still advertising cast SMC industrials. In 1977, they're advertising cast SMC industrials, but now they're also advertising Hunter Originals with a note that they are expanding into the residential market. So now you can get your industrial commercial fans, which are imported SMCs, or you can get domestic fans. I guess they're imported from the US technically. Residential fans, which are also labeled Wilcorp, but they're Hunter Originals. In 1978, they are advertising cast SMCs in both sizes now, 56 and 36 inch, and they are advertising Hunter Originals in both sizes, 36 inch and 52 inch, and they are offering the Hunter Originals in brass or chrome with pecan. Also, they are offering that they will paint both fans, either the originals or the SMCs, to whatever color you desire. You can get any painted color you want, or you can get brass or chrome with pecan blades. In 1979, Wilcorp ceiling fans are sold at Sears Canada, and they are relabeled SMC fans. From 1980 through 1982, they are continuing to sell SMC industrials and originals. And even though we know SMC is no longer casting their industrial motors, they're now stamped, the pictures they are using are still of cast SMCs. In 1983, Wilcorp diversifies into selling electric water heaters. And they also introduced something called the Wilcorp Fanfare, which is a 3-blade fan with walnut and cane blades. I've never seen it because the picture that appears alongside it is a stamped SMC with metal blades. So I don't know what this Wilcorp Fanfare is. If one of the Canadian collectors has a picture of one, email it to me, put it in the comments. I'd love to see it. If you see a 3-blade cane fan in Canada, I would assume it is the Wilcorp Fanfare. So we should keep an eye out for that. That is 1983. From 1984 through 1986, they keep selling the same things. They keep running the same ads. Still SMCs, originals, water heaters, and the Wilcorp Fanfare. That's through 86. Then from 87 to 88, there are no ads. In 1989, they resurface and they're no longer selling ceiling fans. Now they are selling industrial grade portable fans. When you think about those big rollabout fans that you wheel into a factory or have by the door of a warehouse, and agricultural fans that you have in a barn and stuff like that, they've gotten out of the ceiling fan business and into the industrial portable fan business as of 1989. And this is all alongside, because the primary business is still Willow Manufacturing. But I guess they felt like they could make more money in industrial grade portables at that point. And so from 89 to the year 2000, that's what they do. And there are very few or no ads because factory type portable fans don't need advertising. Factories buy them and they order them out of the catalog, and so on and so forth. Then in 2001, they rebrand again. And they are now a ceiling fan showroom selling residential fans. And as of 2001, they are advertising 60 models, custom painting, custom finishes. And all the fans that they advertise are either Hunter or Casablanca fans. In 2003, they expand into the United States and start selling fans in Michigan, which makes sense because Michigan borders Canada. If you've ever been to Detroit, you can accidentally drive into Canada. I've heard of people that have done it, and it's very hard to get back in. So that is 2003. All the fans that are pictured are just generic showroom modern designs. Nothing that I can recognize. Someone who's really into that stuff could probably say, oh yeah, that's a Quorum. But it's clear they're just selling whatever the popular showroom grade fans are of that time, and they're not a lot of fans that I recognize. Okay, let's fast forward to 2009. They're advertising tropical designs now. Fanimation, Islander type things, and other companies making similar palm leaf blade fans. 2009 is the last year that they are advertising, but they are in fact still maintaining their ceiling fan showroom, and they're still maintaining Willow Manufacturing until 2018. And in February 2018, both Wilcorp, which is the ceiling fan showroom, as well as they do, finishes and painting and things like that, and Willow Manufacturing closed their doors in February of 2018. Well, there you have it. That's what I could find out about Wilcorp, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. I hope you have learned something. Again, any of our Canadian fan enthusiasts, fan experts, fan collectors want to contribute some more information, I'd love to see a picture of that 3 cane-bladed fan or anything else that you have that's relevant. Please email it to me or link it in the comments. And if I learn more, I will do an update. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss that update, then you need to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And again, we are also available in podcasting platforms, so please subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. We are able to do big things like that because we have a sponsor, and our sponsor is Fanstick. Please buy Fanstick.